Some things are better when they're simple to make. Pickled onions are definitely one of them. Let's not complicate this. I always keep a jar of this little miracle in my fridge because most things simply taste better when you add pickled red onion to them. Let's start with the onions. They have to be red and large. The bigger, the better in my opinion. I'm using 3 of them here. You can slice them however you like, into thin feathers, half moons, or even a chunky dice if that's what you're in the mood for. I'm not here to judge. Place the sliced onions into a bowl and pour boiling water over them so that all the onions are fully submerged. This way, we get rid of the bitterness and that unpleasant, eye-watering sharp acidity. Drain the onions after about 1 minute. Straight into the jar, toss in about half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, mustard seeds, and whole black peppercorns. Into this prepared jar, add the onions while they're still warm. Pack them in as tightly as possible so that all the onions you prepared fit inside. Now it's time for the brine. You need to measure equal parts vinegar and water. As for the vinegar, I alternate between regular white vinegar and apple cider vinegar, depending on what I happen to have at home. Add 1 generous tablespoon of salt and 1½ tablespoons of sugar. Bring this brine to a boil and immediately pour it over the onions in the jar. Next, loosely cover the jar from the top, but don't seal it completely, and set it aside to cool. After about 3 hours, once it has cooled down, you can place the jar in the fridge for 24 hours. After that time, your pickled red onion is ready. You can enjoy it to your heart's content. Of course, this is probably the easiest pickled vegetable recipe in the world, and it's just an introduction to the fascinating world of pickles. Write me a comment and tell me what kinds of vegetables you pickle at home. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.